Looking to automate Welding Robot for school and college furniture with absolute precision and long-lasting strength? Galexon provides high-quality, cost-effective robotic welding automation solutions tailored to your needs. From classroom benches to metal frames and racks, every weld is accurate, clean, and consistent, boosting both productivity and product life. Powered by the world's top welding robots and supported by Galexon's all-time best technical and service team, we help you cut costs and increase efficiency. Don't compromise on quality. Automate smart. Automate with Galexon, where precision meets productivity.